Looking for different ways that you can actually make money online. What you're seeing in front of you here is actually my YouTube channel. My name is Dennis Mwabu. And before we get to some of the sites that you can actually make an extra $100, $200, or even $20, $30 by just filling in surveys, I'll really appreciate if you come here, check more videos and learn on different strategies that I usually share on this video on how you can make money online. So without wasting a single minute, let's just jump into the first site. The first site whereby you can actually make money online by just filling in surveys is known as Surveyor. So what is Surveyor? Surveyor actually is also in Italy, and it's worldwide. I'm actually in Kenya right now, and I've been able to sign up on Surveyor, and I'll be able to show how I'll be able to show you how Surveyor works. So all you just need here, it's a very simple, easy process of registration whereby you just come here, fill in your details and register and sign up for Surveyor. So how does Surveyor pay you for doing surveys? All you need to do is logging into the platform, take a look at the survey that you want to do, and you'll be able to be paid from $3.5 to actually $5, which is really good money when it comes to a platform that really pays using surveys. You can be paid on PayPal, you can redeem actually points. Let me show you. Let's just log in and let me show you how it works. So here are some of the payment methods that they have. You can redeem your points on Amazon, you can redeem your points and get it in cash on PayPal, and you can also redeem your points in Western Union, MoneyGram, and Skrill. So they have different ways that you can actually be able to get paid your money after you fill in the survey. So let's take a look at the platform a little bit. I signed up, and how are you really able to come and do a survey? All you want to come here is you have different sections here: the profile, survey, prices, history, and sign out. So remember, first of all, to come here, make sure you just register so that you may have your account. After you've registered and have an account, some also people usually don't have a PayPal account. Always make sure to have a PayPal account because it's the most easiest and fastest way that you can get paid, all right, on different platforms. Then come here and take a look at the surveys. Click on surveys. So on surveys, what will happen is it will be able to give you a dashboard here. So this is the most legit way that you can really get paid when filling in surveys. So what will happen is you'll earn more points depending on the time that you spend on filling in a survey. So you can see here 16 points, it means you get 3 points. So the more the time a survey takes, the more you get paid. And you may be wondering, why do people pay people? Why do you get paid for actually using survey? I can tell you, for one thing, in the marketing space, in the internet world, and everywhere in the world right now, data information is one of the most powerful things that you really want to give out there to marketing companies and advertising companies. So they will pay huge amount of money. They'll pay huge, and they spend a lot of money on advertising to be able to really get information and data so that they may use this information to market and advertise. So it's all part of the advertising budget. So you can see here 16 minutes, you're able to earn 3 points, 5 minutes, you're able to get 1 point, 9 minutes, you're able to get 4 points. So depending on the time that actually it takes, so you can see it ranges from 30 minutes to 21 minutes and the type of survey that you're filling. So all you just need to do is maybe you just have some 20 minutes during lunch break and you want to maybe earn some few coins. All you come is just click on this box, and it will send you to surveys. Okay, so you'll be able to get, you can see, for example, the protection of your personal data is very important to us. So just click, you can click agree, then get to the next part, which will be filling in the details and making sure that your platform is actually secure. So that's the first site that you can start making money online. So if you're getting value on this video, always remember, as I started, all right, come to this channel, hit that subscription button. Okay, hit that subscription button below on this video and make sure to actually watch. I usually share a lot of tips on how you can really make money online, paid surveys, how you start an online business, how you can grow an online business, also what I do personally to be able to make real sustainable income from the internet. What I'm sharing with you with the paid surveys is just just some few coins that will really help you to run your days, maybe $10, $5, $20. That is not really substantial income, but on my side, I really make good and substantial income from the online space. So always make sure to come here, check my YouTube channel. Always remember to hit that subscription button below and watch more videos and how you can make money online. So the next site is all about Softbox. Softbox is a very, very easy site. And the reason why I'm showing you different sites that you can be able to make money online, you're able to realize that on these sites, what you get paid on the surveys, it's almost like $5 to $10. When it goes a lot, you can get paid like $20. So when you have like different sites that you're making $20, for example, if those are 4-5 sites, you can be able to get $100. So that's the trick and technique here. On Swagbank also, it's very easy to actually log in. They've been able to pay all these people in surveys. So this is something that most of the people actually take advantage of. So let's take a look at the inside part of it. So this is what the dashboard looks like. I've also signed up. All you want to do is the amount that you earn from the surveys, you can come here, shop. Okay, you can shop, you can it has different, it doesn't just have only surveys only, it has also different things, but you're going to be focusing on surveys. So all you want to do is, after you've signed up, this is your dashboard. What you want to do is here is come and click answer. When you click answer, it will bring you to this page. It has just logged me out, so let me log back in. So when you log in, see, this is the dashboard. This is how it looks like. You're able to shop, eBay, 1 cashback, 3 cashback. These are also different ways that you can make an extra coin on Softbox, but we'll focus on the surveys mainly. What you want to do is you want to come here and click survey, so you can take a look at what I told you. It really depends with the time. Okay, the time that a survey takes really depends on how much you'll be paid from this. You can see answer goal survey, time to complete 5 minutes. FB, you're able to earn SB's amount, and then survey. So 5 SBs. Okay, on these 5 SBs, when you're able to earn these 5 SBs, you're also able to come and actually convert these SBs in terms of cash, in terms of PayPal, in terms of a voucher that you want to redeem. So all you want to do is just come click start survey, and immediately it will send you to your survey. After doing this video, I'll come do this survey and earn a few SBs that I'll be able to redeem. It's always, money is not always enough. It doesn't depend. It comes in as 1 coin. It doesn't depend. It comes in as 1,000 coins. It really doesn't matter. You really want to take a look at different ways that you can really generate money on the online space. So I'll be coming to do that. Hope you're getting value on this video, guys. Always remember to hit that subscription button and stick around with me up to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you the exact system that I use to really make really good income. The other one is MobiWorks. Okay, MobiWorks, all you just need to do is come sign in. The signing process is very, very, very easy. I'll not get into the dashboard because I've not really explored it a lot, but it's a very good site, and I'll be doing a video also on how it really works. But what you can just do is you just need to come here, become a member. Okay, answer surveys. This is the same thing as the other sites I've showed you, and then get rewarded. So it's very easy. The site is not complicated. You can see it doesn't have 1,000,001 things. All you just need to do is come here, click the sign up button, and start the signing up process. So okay, the other one is Permission Research. Okay, Permission Research also is a site whereby it's an online survey site whereby you can come, fill in the surveys. And what happens in Permission site is a part of an online marketing research community with over 2 million members worldwide. And Permission Research on its always pay on its members on insight into the internet trends and behaviors. And this research is used major by media outlets and companies trying to understand how people around the globe actually use the internet. So that is actually how you get paid from these surveys, as I told you, especially on permission research. So all you need to do is just come, click the join now button. It will take you into this registration form. All you need to accept this and fill in your data information, get inside there, explore it, start filling in those surveys. It's as very easy as possible. You can do this on your phone. You can do this when you're going to bed. You can do it when you're actually on a date. You can do it when you're on a vacation, anywhere, any place, anytime. As a student, as a beginner, as any person who is looking really to make some extra income on the online space. The other one is MobRog. MobRog is also an online paid online paid survey site whereby you just come in, log in, sign up, and you're really able to get paid from filling in surveys. As you can take a look at here, it has been able to be ranked and be able to be given a couple reviews by different companies. So it's a very credible company. You can use it worldwide whenever you are. You can see here Portugal, Pureco, Singapore, all these places. All right, even in Kenya, actually. I'm also in Kenya. So it's a very easy platform to be able to actually get paid. You can get paid from $5, $3 to $1 for doing each survey. So those are some of the sites that can really help you really get paid online by just doing different surveys. So all I want you to do, guys, is always remember, check on more videos on how you can make money online. And I want to share with you my #1 recommended way for you to make money online, whereby I usually share the links down below here on the description. So all you want to do is just come here on this video, okay? Come here, check a look at this link, click on this link. It will send you to a page that looks like this. A page that look like this, tired of the BS internet, for anyone who wants to start a hyper profitable online business but doesn't know where to begin. I'm showing you here my real-time results. I'm showing you here the kind of systems that I use to be able to generate income online, and I'm showing you results, real live results of how I'm able to earn on different multiple streams of income in the online space. And remember, the online space has a lot of garbage things, okay? But when you have someone who is doing what you really want, it helps you shorten the learning curve. And that's why I did this free training. I did this free video for any person who is starting in their online journey to be able to help them shorten that curve. So click on it, check the videos on YouTube, and let's get started, and let's talk and run and start making some extra income in the online space. Let's go.